This is a quick video on how to use the library databases. You have to be sure to go through the library website to use the password. So I have one password for all the databases. Here's a list of the databases, and you can see ProQuest Central and JSTOR are most commonly used by universities. We also have Science Direct, and there's many others that you can explore. Just wanted to show you a couple of things. I like ProQuest Central because it has newspapers and magazines, and as well as journal articles, ebooks, and more. It's easy to email yourself an article. All of these tools have citation tools with them. Battle of Marathon. I'm putting these in quotes so I can keep things together. I'm trying to find the impact of the moon on the Battle of Marathon. I'm going to also click full text because I want the whole article. And I'm going to click peer reviewed. I want to make sure it's an authoritative source. When I hit search, you can see there are also filtering tools, additional filtering tools there. There's much more to learn, so stop by and see us in the library.